Hi guys, it's Deb here. I have got the unboxing of December Kitaholic Kits. I'm going to try and get through this quick because I've got everyone at home, and so if you hear noise in the background, that's what it is. So let's get in and have a look. So first up we got the Mixed Media kit, and I'm really excited to get these stencils from the Vicky Bouton line. I'm not sure when she released these, but it's got the flowers, a little leafy kind of vine thing, and those moths. So very excited about that. And then we got some Kaiser mist, and we got some gold shimmer spray, some turquoise iridescent spray, and candy iridescent spray. So I don't know if that's new branding on that, but because I've got some old Kaiser mist, so I'm not sure if it's a new product or if it's just rebranded, but definitely can always use gold, and I'm running very low on my gold mist. So that is the Mixed Media kit for December. Next up is the embellishment kit, and we got this cute Kaiser style sticker roll, 200 stickers, 5 designs, and it's got these really cute hearts, sticker hearts. Aren't they so cute? I hope the camera's picking them up. So I know I'm gonna have to hide these from Ava. We got Pink Paisley, Paige Evans, Whimsical Ephemera, 40 pieces. So that's a lot of this kit has got the Paige Evans Whimsical in it. So there's that. We got 10 pieces. They look like they're acrylic. Yes, they are Heidi Swap acrylic words. So that's fun. Oh, I love these Heidi Swap stickers. They're alphas, and you get 118 in there. And they're like a pink glitter foam. No, it's hard. I'm not tall enough to look at my camera. But they are very glittery. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. And then we got some Pink Fresh stars, puppy star stickers. And there is 94 in that one. So that is the embellishment kit. So moving on to the main kit, and this was sitting on top, so I'm not sure if this goes in the main kit or the embellishment kit, but we did get a baggie of sequins and some pom-pom trim. Isn't that fun? Wow, love that. Oh, we got some felt hearts, and we got some twine and a frame. So I love all the textural little elements there. So as I said, I'm not quite sure if that goes in the main kit or the embellishment kit, but yeah. So let's keep going. Snow and Cocoa, 2 adhesive wreaths from crepe paper. I was going to say cake paper. So I got them. We also got a Wooden Flourish pack. I can't talk today. Blooming, and this is from Kaiser Craft, and I love all the flowers in this pack. That is awesome. Okay, so we also got Whimsical from Paige Evans Embellishments, 50 pieces, and it looks like, yes, there's some foiling on some of these, and look at all them flowers. How fun. So fun. Oh, this has to be my favorite in this kit because these are so cute. They're thickers, and they're called Happy Life, and look how tiny these little alphas are. Let me see. Oh, I haven't got a ruler. They are tiny, and they are so adorable. Oh, you can see the other side. Oh my goodness. 494 in that pack. They are so adorable. Love them. And I think I'll be putting this into my Project Life kit, actually, because they would be perfect for Project Life. So onto the papers. you've got, these are all from Whimsical, I'm sure. So we got, yeah, Whimsical. Number 3. I'm going to quickly go through these because I'm running out of time to pick up Ava from school. Number 11. Number 21. This one's a Dear Lizzie New Day Mindful. Yeah, it's called Mindful. So, ooh, I like that stripe. That's nice. Okay, back to the Whimsical. We got number 9. And another cool stripe there. Oh, another stripy one, number 16. It's like a rainbow stripe. So that is super fun. So that is the main kit. No, hang on. We also got the exclusive, oh my god, how cute is that washi? Flamingo washi. The exclusive die cuts as well. So, like a little Polaroid frame, lots of little journaling spots and flowers and words and lots of things to help embellish your pages and journal on your pages. And there are some tiny kind of words in the exclusive die cut pack this month. So that is the main kit. So onto the pocket page kit, and I'm going to quickly flip through the cards, and I believe that they're pretty much just the same. You get 2 of each of the same pattern papers that were in the main kit. Then we got our December word from Corbett Creations. So I loved having these acrylic words every month in my project life. We got some rhinestones, and they are soft pink. No Kaiser. We got this fun alpha from Heidi Swap, and they are a glittery blue colour. They're very striking blue, very pretty. So we got them. We got ooh, dropping things now. Whimsical. Yeah, they're chipboard stickers. So we got a pack of them. So there's lots of things to embellish. Oh, so fun. The paintbrushes and all that. Nice. We got the Kaiser sticker book. There's over 1,000 stickers with gold foil accents, and there is a look at that, and this is awesome. Like, there's no way you could get through that in 1 month. So awesome addition. And then we've got some cutter parts here. We've got, what have we got here? We've got Jen Hadfield Homemade Along the Way. Oh, that's so cute. And the back is a grid. Oh, we got 2 of them, have we? Looks like we got 2, unless mine accidentally got 2 in it. I'm not sure about that. And then we got Crepe Paper Hooray Happy Day, and it's got the months of the year and a green on the back. Okay, so last but not least, we have got the exclusive cutter parts. And there's that cute washi again. I think I might try and peel that up and keep that and use it. So cute. And the pocket page exclusive die cuts is jam-packed with labels and decorative elements in the pocket page kit. I mean, there's just so much in there to help decorate and journal in your project life. So guys, that is a super quick one for today. Silly season. I've just been super busy, and don't forget, I'll leave links to Kitaholics below, including the YouTube channel, my playlist on the YouTube channel, the Facebook page, etc. I was going to say something else. Now I can't think. If I do not pop back onto my channel before Christmas, I hope you guys all have a happy and safe Christmas. So until next time, I'll catch you. Bye.